Welcome. Welcome back to the channel. I'm the host, John Shack, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You're looking at on the screen a bunch of C8 Corvettes fresh out of the factory from Bowling Green, and they are lined up for a special delivery through the Corvette Museum. As I said, all these vehicles are specially lined up for the delivery through the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. You too can also have your vehicle delivered through the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky, for a fee of $999. This might really say $1,000. You do have this option available to you to have your vehicle delivered to the Corvette Museum. And it's definitely a special treat. And I would encourage you, if you're ordering a new C8 Corvette, if you want to spend that little extra money to really enjoy the purchase of the C8 Corvette, I would encourage you to do so. This will be a very memorable time in your life when you're purchasing a C8 Corvette, especially if it's your first Corvette. To me, these things are a must-have when you're ordering a C8 Corvette. Another thing I would add to mine is the racing stripe. But I probably will get a 3LT, and it'd probably be a Z51 performance package. And as I said earlier, all these vehicles that you see are lined up for the delivery through the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And you too can have your vehicles delivered through the Corvette Museum for a option of $900. Don't you just love the variety of colors that this Corvette comes in? I can say its ownership like the Chevy Corvette. Again, all these vehicles line up for special delivery through the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Another perk of ordering your vehicle through the Corvette Museum is giving you a tour through the Corvette plant and letting you see how your particular vehicle was built. That is open to all drivers that purchase their Corvette through the Corvette Museum, a private tour of the Corvette plant, which is right across the street from the Corvette Museum. Also has the Corvette racing track across the street. So if you want to test drive a C8 before you buy one, you can go onto the Corvette Museum racetrack there That racetrack is connected to the museum, and for a fee of $300 to $400, you can drive their C8 and see whether or not you like the vehicle. And it is an ownership like a Chevy Corvette. I would ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I am doing a upload. And as you can see, the Corvette comes in many varieties of colors. And we have 3 new colors for this year, this particular year, 2021. They had added 3 new colors. Well, actually, I think this is 2022. I am the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. Therefore, blue is my favorite color. And also white. White is a good color also, especially with the racing stripes. The racing stripes really brings out the vehicle. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. You're looking at on the screen the test run of the Corvette Z06 2023 model. This is the test run of the vehicle. This is it, guys. This is the Z06 Corvette. And these footage are taken from the spy cam, media spy cam Corvette. And I am the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you will know when I'm doing a upload. And this is the test run of the Z06. This is exactly how the vehicle will look. As you can tell, she has the exhaust system in the center of the vehicle. And this is the same system that I have on my C7. My exhaust system is in the center of my vehicle. The base model steering rate, the exhaust system is on the corner of the vehicle, on each side of the vehicle. I think it gives a much aggressive look when it's in the center of the vehicle. I'm glad that GM decided to give us something different when they came out with the Z06. And I expect when the ERA model and the ZR1 and the Zorro model is going to be even more, a different look, even more aggressive than the Z06. The Z06 is going to be a strictly track vehicle with about 355 wheels in the back. About 325s in the front. Cup 2 tires of Michigan Pilot Super Sports. And as you know, those tires are $834 a piece. So you're talking about a lot of money when it comes to purchasing a set of tires for your vehicle. Again, this is John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel.